Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Nityashree's Bio. Today we'll be studying about very important interaction, that is parasitism. Parasitism is an interaction where one organism depends on another organism for food. Here the one which harms it is called as parasite and one which gets harmed is called as host. There are two different types of parasites. One is ectoparasites and another one is endoparasites. If parasite lives on the host body and cause harm, then we would call it as ectoparasites. If it lives inside the host body and causes the harm, then we call it as endoparasite. This phenomenon is called as ectoparasitism and endoparasitism respectively. Ectoparasites can be further classified into ectophytoparasites and ectozooparasites, which means the parasites living on plants and animals respectively. Examples for ectophytoparasites are mealybugs, aphids, red cotton bugs, etc. For ectozooparasites, the examples are lice on humans, ticks and fleas on dogs. And examples for endoparasites are roundworms, hookworms, tapeworms, liver fluke, etc. Now we will learn a very important section in parasitism, where one organism doesn't depend on another organism for food, whereas it depends on it only during the breeding season, that is for incubation purpose. This phenomenon is called as brood parasitism. In brood parasitism, the parasitic bird lays its eggs in the nest of the host, expecting the host to incubate them. During the course of evolution, the size and color of the egg remains the same as that of host, supporting this brood parasitism. Example for one such parasitism is cuckoo laying its eggs in the crow's nest. Apart from all these, we should also know one of the important term here called as parasitoid. Parasitoid is any organism which lays its eggs into the host, and after hatching the larvae feeds on the host, eventually leading to its death. This kind of phenomena we usually observe in case of insects. Last topic that we would learn here is parasitic adaptations. To be a parasite, the parasite has to be smaller than that of its host. It should lose unnecessary sense organs which is not required by it by any chance, because its entire life will be dependent on its host. And then loss of digestive system. Since most of the parasites obtain their nutrition directly from the host, they will not have to process any food. That is why there is loss of digestive system. Then they will have specialized structures called as hooks and suckers, so that they can attach onto the host very easily. Parasites will also have high reproductive capacity to grow their species to a larger extent and harm the host as much as possible. That's it about parasitism. Thank you for learning with me. Have a nice day. If you really like the video, please like, subscribe and share.